Good morning, people. Papa Sammy and Allybug here. Look, I want to thank my subscribers today. In the last 2 weeks, I've had over a thousand subscribers per day. I had one video go to 1.3 million views. I'm way behind on answering my people. Right now, I've got over 40,000 subs. And Lord knows, like I said, I'm getting over 1,000 a day every day. So I'm trying to answer everybody. But the amazing thing, my subscribers are starting to talk to each other. And I'm so proud for it. Because when they answer back and forth with the different questions and on gardening and bees or whatever in the different parts of the country, they form a group, a chat group, I reckon you'd say. And I am so happy to see that. When I started this channel, strictly for my granddaughter, I'm sorry, had a rough morning. Very special young lady, Allybug. She wanted to save the world. I said, okay, let's give it a try. So we started off, with the little standard worm videos and got 3 or 4 subscribers. And then we moved into gardening and got a few more. Then we went into honeybees. Well, it is growing like crazy. I never would have thought that from where I come from to where I am now. I've had over 440,000 views in 48 hours. I'm running 10 to 12,000 views per hour. So do the math in your head about the comments and all. I'm way behind. Now, what I'm trying to say is I'm 83 years old and I get tired real easy. Still do my yoga every morning, still go to the club and walk my mile, okay? Still do all that, try to keep going. But the thing is, people, I'm slowing down. Now, I'm going to stay with my worms because there's such a small upkeep on them. I feed them once a week or whatever, and they take care of themselves. And it's just a hobby. Now, my gardening, I'm down to 2 or 3 raised beds, maybe a few potatoes, and definitely tomatoes. My squash, and excuse me, cucumbers, and my herbs. I'll play with that. But other than that, I don't think I'm gonna do much more gardening. Starkey Farmstead, which is my youngest daughter, does a lot of gardening, so I kind of imposed upon her vegetation. Anyway, my blueberries, my figs, my blackberries, my Japanese plums, I'll continue with those because they grow. I just water them every once in a while and forget about them. Excuse me. Hadn't got over that cough yet. Other than that, I'm slowing down. I'm gonna have to slow down. Uh, and I feel like I'm cheating Bobby, my wife of 63 years. We've always been close, and we're gonna stay that way. But I want to start spending time with her, traveling, because as you get older, you lose it. Now, just a point in question, like today. Got up this morning at 5:30. Packed a box full of basketballs and different props for a little skit at school. 9-year-old great grandson's in a talent show, and he wants to do ball handling. Him and 3 of his friends. So Papa now owns 4 brand new basketballs. Welcome to the club. The little rascal, my little great grandson, just won a championship, or won one championship yesterday. This year, at the end of the season, they have won 4. He plays for 4 different teams. He's 9 years old. He plays up to the 10 or 11 group. He's pretty good. I'm not bragging, but he is good. Now, like tomorrow. Oh, and today, after delivering the basketballs, I had to run visit my brother-in-law, who's down physically. All right, back home, make this video, straight back to the school to watch 9-year-old great grandson and a Mighty Grove played at school. After that, come home. Tonight, practice. Soccer. Tomorrow, 3 baseball games, 1 soccer game. Sunday, I'm off. I quit. I'm going to church. I'm packing my car. I'm headed to Florida. Grandson, oldest grandson, military, combat medic, also studying to be a preacher, pastor, chaplain in the Army, is fixing to be shipped overseas. He's stationed in Florida. They're having a family day. So Papa and Gigi is headed to Florida, people. I always tell my kids and grandkids, as long as you're trying, I'll break my heart to help you. But if I look up and you're not doing anything, you own it, baby. I'm out of there. I help, I don't do. That way they learn how to take care of business. I do appreciate my people so much. I'm living a dream I never thought possible, and I want to thank you so much.